CR will articulate a practical reason for preparedness, create redundancy, the one known as CR. So here's a belt that's stuck in the agitator of a washing machine. Can't get it out because it rotates back and forth and it's very hard to get it out. I tried to manually do it, but let's see what I can do here. Of course, something like this you want to deal with so it doesn't burn out the motor because you can't just have that in the center. As you can see there in the center, there is an actual screw. Pulled out some tools here. Now, the depth of the center was quite deep, so I actually had to use an extender, and I actually had to use this articulated joint to adapt it. Just enough clearance, just enough height, so I can unscrew it counterclockwise. Afterwards, I cleaned out the centerpiece before reassembling it. Because there was tools on hand, had them on hand, I was able to fix this and avoid some serious issues down the road because of something as simple as a belt. And like always,
As our
everyone,
world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.